I got a new Xbox One controller. My sister, she needed one, so I don't have enough for me. And I'm probably not going to get that one back. So I had to go get another controller. So I did see that there was a new bundle with the Xbox Series X, and you can see that it is a Xbox Series X controller and the new adapter, which is smaller. One second, let me just clean up my desktop so nothing's on there. The old adapter is this one. This is what it looks like. And let me go grab the old Xbox controller. Actually, to do a fair comparison, I'll compare the controller that it came with. Alright, so look. The Xbox One controller, right? When it was sold with this bundle, I still have this in the basement. This is the original adapter. Dude, I think I got this like 2016, like 2017, man. Like 4 years. It's a long time, man. You can see this controller. You can see the back. You can see how it's kind of like textured. They added like, I don't know if that's visible, sort of like a textury type of material. It's kind of rough, so it helps add sort of like a grip. Not really, but hey, whatever. It is the newer one with the headphone jack. Can the camera focus? Oh, nice. Thank you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the adapter. I've had issues recently. Sometimes the controller keeps disconnecting. I don't know. Whatever. I was going to go all PS5 controllers and get rid of them. I really like the PS5 controller. The way it feels, everything is great. The only problem is when you want like friends. I know there's the cough and we're not allowed to have friends or meet up with people and all that. Eventually, once everybody gets super antibodies, super powered, injections, where we all have, basically Master Chief for antibodies, and Osmosis Jones, let's not forget about him. And then we can finally, couch local LAN play, whatever, or just have multiple controllers connected and have friends over again. For that day, this is why I have the Xbox One Series X controller wireless adapter for Windows 10. It allows you to connect, I believe, 10 devices. Hey, that was wrong. I believe it's 8 devices, 8 controllers. I know it's 4 for sure. I have connected 4. I'm pretty sure you can do 8. If I'm wrong, you can say that. But I have done 4 with friends. The 5th one was a Switch Pro controller. I cannot confirm if it's actually 8. I haven't done it. I am going to open it up. Let's do that. Nothing really special to this. Let me just move over my keyboard and mouse. So shiny on camera, dude. It looks so nice. I love it. I really do. I'm just so gentle with it when I play like games because I'm scared of like just damaging it. But like I do love it. What is special and different about this controller, as you can already see, says you have a share button, hybrid D-pad, USB-C. You can see that textured grip. Does it say the textured USB-C port? Connects to Android and iOS. I mean, the other one with Bluetooth can do it too. I think all my controllers can do that. The only one that can't connect with Bluetooth is that one that I loaned to my sister. Yeah, but like I said, probably never gonna get that back. Okay, so it's the same thing. It has a garbage grip. They call it grip. There's no rubber. I remember how I showed you the other controller where they call that a grip. Look at this. Look at this garbage. They just put like all they did is mess up the plastic and then they call it a grip. It's garbage. So this is the Pro Xbox One Patrol Tech controller. Yeah, I remember now. And it's got like this like ribbing design. And you see the back. It's like the Elite controller. It's got like real rubber. And it's comfy. It's like a ping pong paddle. I wish Elite 2 controller was cheaper. I'd buy that. Paddles were nice. They were comfy. You could program it. It was nice. I really do like the controller. It's just, man, look. I could get one of those controllers for $180. You know how much I bought all these controllers, man? I think I got them on sale like $40 each. 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. That's if you can math. That's $160. I was able to get 4 controllers for $160, and one Elite 2 controller cost me $180. Dude, making the dream happen for me and my friends by having all these controllers? Nah, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. But hey, if you have no friends, grab an Elite controller. And if you're richer than me, clearly you are, then you can buy 4 of them. You can get 4 Elite controllers, you know? And if you ever have thumbstick drift, because the internals on your Xbox Elite 2 controller, you don't get special internals, buddy. It's still the same mechanism. You still get a garbage thumbstick. Still the same thing. Still gonna get stick drift. Just because you paid $300 for a custom, who was that company everybody used to buy modded controllers from? I don't remember. There was a lot of companies back in the day. Astro's a headset company. The controller. I know they made the buttons on the back too. I don't know. I could care less. Even if you get those, they're still prone to having those issues. Wow, this is a really small adapter. This is crazy how small this is. Let me grab the other one. This is, dude, it looks small like online, and I was like, oh, it's not that big of a difference. Bruh, this is insane. Do you understand how much cleaner this setup is? It's like going from like an ATX PC to an ITX. This is insane. Yeah, I'm giving this to my sister. I don't care. I'm not even gonna compare it. I don't even care. That thing is garbage, man. Oh my god. She's probably not awake right now. It's like 4 in the morning. But there are batteries in this, so I should take those out. What is that thing rattling inside this? Oh, wow. They actually included a little adapter, you know, to extend it. That's nice of them. Wow, thank you, Microsoft. Look at that. They care. Wow, I didn't expect that. And they got a manual in here. Oh, dude, I got an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code in here for 14 days. Dude, thank you. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm not even gonna redeem it. Xbox Series app, and then how to load it and connect it. Hold the sync button, Alright, for those that have no idea what black magic this is performing, you put the batteries in the controller. Now we insert this into our laptop, the little wireless adapter. Hold the sync button for 3 seconds. Click the sync button on the USB adapter that you plug into your computer. Your controller will connect. Ta-da! Load up the Xbox Series app, and then you can configure your controller. Dun-ta-da, dun-ta-da. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's pack that up. Limited warranty agreement. Yeah, I think you only have 90-day warranty on these controllers. But I bought it on my credit card. Maybe it extends it to like a year? I have no idea. Anyway, box this up. The adapter with the cable. I'm probably not going to use the extension, to be honest. I am grateful for it. I might use it for another thing that has signal issues. I know with the Logitech keyboard and mouse, they come with the extension, but it's connected to my USB hub over there. And honestly, it works fine. You don't need the hub thing, like the adapter right next to it. It works fine. Yeah, it works fine. Just putting the batteries away. I was really hoping there would be a Nintendo Switch Pro announced at CES, but nothing happened. I think today's like the 16th, yeah, so I'll get my rechargeable batteries to connect this. We took off the back. Now I just gotta pop in these rechargeable batteries. I didn't use the disposables. I only use them when the power in the house goes out or something. Care about the environment. Bought some rechargeable batteries. Pop that on, and as you can see, USB-C. They've added that same rubber. It's not even a grip, bro. They just put like texture and plastic and they call it a grip. The bumpers are stupid cheaper. Like, it is insane how much cheaper these bumpers are. Like, they probably click easier, but like, dude, like, they really save money on the plastic when they designed this, dude. They really like pulled out all the stops here. Alright, man, I'm just gonna be honest, bro. This controller's shit. Okay, so we cover that. Dude, this is cheap. This is cheap. The thumbsticks feel nicer, I think. Yeah. Okay, so look at this. You see that thumbstick? See how big the hole is. New controller. Look at how big the hole is. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? See? The hole is bigger. See that? They got rid of that groove thing here. See these buttons? They felt more premium, man. That smooth gloss, it felt way more premium. This feels so much cheaper. It is insane. Bro, I mean, I guess the new D-pad is better. Yeah, it feels like you can click more. Yeah, there's more click. Yeah, thumbstick feels better. Oh, I didn't connect it. 1 second. I clicked the button. Hopefully it connects. There's no light on this adapter. The other one had a light. Click the button. Here, let me do it again. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, hello? Hold sync. What? Did it connect? Come on, man. What is this? I look like an idiot. Oh, there is a light on this one, and it connected. Okay, beautiful. Setting up X USB input device. Device installed. X input device installed. Alright, beautiful. Alright, it's connected. Let's see if these ABXY buttons feel better. The buttons even feel cheaper. Alright, yo, man. Alright, we're covering this. Okay, look. This controller is dog shit. It works, but I don't want to hear anybody ever say this is premium. Look, it works, okay? But, like, this is cheap. The PlayStation 5 controller for $70 is, like, insane. Dude, that thing is like an elite controller, okay? For $70, I felt like it was a steal. This, I'm glad Microsoft figured out a way to save money and still sell you an Xbox One controller. Yeah, there's improvements, but they really, like, look, man, it's shit. It's fine. I mean, they work, but, like, nah, man. The PS5 controllers, yeah, I'm gonna... Dude, they gotta make, like, elite controllers cheaper. You can't charge them $180 and then have no warranty included with them for, like, 90 days. That's bullshit. Dude, that keyboard and mouse I got, dude, there's a 2-year warranty on those. Keyboard is $230, mouse is $150. You don't sell a $180 controller. I don't give a shit if you're customers or console people. Like, that doesn't matter. The controller costs $180. Dude, no. You can't be putting... Why do I have to do that? Why do I gotta pay $180 or $60? Like, for something better, I have to pay $180, and then for Sony, it's just whatever, man. I got this because it works. The wireless adapter works. If you want multiple controllers to just work, you know, I will wait for Sony to make an adapter that can have multiple PlayStation 5 controllers connect and just works. Like, it works great, and I don't have to think or do anything. But until that point, the Xbox Ones work great. And if you can get them really cheap, and then you never want to touch anything again because Windows supports Windows Xbox controllers, like Windows support, no issues, then yeah, grab them. Don't grab this. I thought this adapter bundle would be good because people are scalping these adapters. So, like I said, I'm giving the old adapter to sister, and it is what it is. Honestly, new controllers feel cheaper. There are improvements, but it's I'm gonna be honest, man. It's crap. It's not a better controller. The thumbsticks and the little improvements, yeah, but no. There's no comparison between that and the PS5 controller. There's no comparison. So hopefully, you know, Sony can finally make those adapters with the PC that, you know, work and you can connect more than one device. Not like Bluetooth where you're limited one controller, you know, to the computer. You can't have like 4 and then, you know, Bluetooth lag issues and all that. So yeah, I'm not buying an Elite controller. I'm not supporting that crap. You know, if you want to make an Elite controller, you better include like a 2-year warranty. I don't care, make it $200, but you better include a 2-year warranty and you better cover it when there's stick drift and people have issues. This is bullshit. That's straight bullshit. Oh wow, they finally included a rechargeable battery and it uses USB-C, and yeah, but that's still unacceptable, man. I don't care what anybody says. That's unacceptable. But I can pause this, load up a game, and see how well. Alright, so I loaded up Assassin's Creed Valhalla, running around. To be honest, yeah, dude, it's running great. We're sprinting. Thumbsticks feel good. Oh, there's all these baby. Oh, they made it easier to click the trigger down. Wait, did they change the shape? Something definitely changed. It doesn't feel as, like, big in my hands. What the heck? What is this? Did they make it smaller? Hold on. Nah, they made it a little bit smaller. No way. They definitely did something, dude. It definitely feels a little bit smaller. Wow. Okay. Alright. The thumbsticks feel easier to move. That's nice. The triggers feel easier to click. I don't have to, like, yeah. Yeah, that definitely feels like so much force is required to pull down the trigger on these. It like okay. I gotta kill these Arctic foxes. I feel bad, Mr. Fox. I feel bad, but we're hunting. You can't even skin the fox. What'd I kill it for then? Oh, you can skin them. Alright. But let's run around. I need to get to the quest objective. Let's run around. Yeah, HDR looks good on this monitor. Yeah, it looks good. I did not wait for the, what's it called? I mean, why would I wait? I have this now. I know there's 1440p 275 Hz with the reflex module monitors coming. This 360Hz doesn't have the reflex module, so it's going. It's garbage. I'm looking forward to 2 Alienware monitors side by side to be a nice setup. They also have the best warranty. If I want to extend the warranty after 3 years, I can. So that's nice. I'm probably just going to buy a new monitor. These guys are standing in the way while I'm riding on my horse. And then I knock the guy. And then now they're upset at me. Alright, well, time to beat these kids. Come here. Oh, he knocked me off my... Okay, I gotta fight them now. What? Dude, this guy keeps axing me. Jesus, calm down, man. He hit me 2 times and my guy completely died? What am I, that weak? I'm not even playing this game. Wow. You know what's hilarious? I am mining on my GPU and I'm still holding 1995 megahertz. Wow. And my GPU temperature is 47 degrees Celsius. Wow. CPU utilization's like nothing. Wow. It's really nice just having 2 AIOs for your CPU and your GPU. I don't have to do any maintenance. Everything just works. Hopefully new whatever come eventually. New cards and stuff. The FPS I'm getting right now at 1440p while mining and stuff. Max settings is basically on like 60 FPS. Yeah. I mean, I'll use this controller because like I have to. An Elite controller would be ideal. But yeah, there's gotta be something they did. It didn't move so... I guess it did. There's gotta be something to it, man. There's gotta be something. It feels more like, yeah, this one doesn't move like that. They did something. It's an improvement, but I can definitely tell where they cheaped out. The only way to get the ideal controller with the rubber grips and for it to like feel good, not like you're just rubbing plastic on you're gonna have to get the Elite 2 controller. Alright, I'll finish playing Assassin's Creed. But that was pretty much it. Just like an update on the controller, okay? So, yeah. Okay, thanks. Peace.